So a little while ago, we told you about the kind of celebrations that happen in India, right? There are two kinds. The older generation goes out and does bhajans on New Year's Eve or 1st of Jan, while the younger generation goes out clubbing. But now there is a trend that actually brings the two worlds together. It's as simply called bhajan clubbing. What exactly is that, and why is it taking the country's young people by storm? Let's tell you a little bit about that. This is a trend where devotion meets your bass drop. The club looks the same, lights are the same, but the music, that has changed completely. Instead of DJs dropping chart busters, they are mixing traditional bhajans with electronic beats, turning familiar chants into high energy tracks that fill up the dance floor. These are no loud slogans, no chaos, just music, maybe movement, but also definitely some meaning. As India rings in the new year, Gen Z is choosing bhakti over booze, chants over chaos, and celebration with purpose. People sing along, dance together, stay fully present, but that's just me telling you all about it. Let me bring forward people who actually brought in this trend in India and now have become household names. If you don't know them, let me introduce them to you. Raghav and Prachi, backstage siblings, are here with us. Hello, guys. How are you doing? And firstly, you guys are backstage siblings. You guys sing bhajans on guitars and electronic music. But off stage, you guys are investment bankers and fixed income traders, which is really fascinating. First up, explain to all people watching what exactly is bhajan clubbing.
Okay, let me just put it this way. Bhajan clubbing is nothing but singing without any substances, without any food. And when I say singing, the songs can be spiritual songs, it could be Bollywood songs. It is just reconnecting with yourself in a different way. So we call it bhajan and clubbing because it involves spirituality. It involves the rock, it involves the kick, it involves a new Gen Z fun without you being lost in any other substances. You are the fun here.
So this is basically music. It could be anything from spiritual music to Sufi to Bollywood, anything, but just that there is no alcohol, no substances, no food. Am I getting that right?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Any song that you can dedicate to the Almighty, any song, be it a Bollywood song, be it a rock song or a bhajan.
Okay, I must say that, when you guys went viral, the first reaction I got from the boomers in my house at least was कि कितने अच्छे बच्चे हैं. Such lovely kids. They do such good stuff. They're taking bhajans to Gen Z and they're not, sort of shying away from it. Is that the usual response that you guys also get?
We started this 1 year back with our own city, Calcutta. We hosted a jamming session with around 50 people. We forced our friends to put story. We forced them to come. And since day one, that was the audience of 50 people. And now we are doing a bhajan jamming tour, which involves 4,000, 5,000 people per show.
Wow.
So yes, a few rules have been similar, like straight up same from the start, that we always wanted to create something around music. We do jam at home. She's my own sister here, and we have been doing this all our lives in our living room, and we wanted to give the same experience. And especially today, when people have forgotten how to look up in this world of technology, and then people are so much stressed about things, we wanted this 1 hour to be for themselves, a complete stress buster.
I like that. People have forgotten how to look up. We are constantly looking down on our phones and not interacting with others, which is great. But guys, do you remember, Raghav and Prachi, the first song that you guys perhaps jammed on?
First song, what was that?
I think we've always been jamming to bhajans, Ram Ram Ja Raja Ram, Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murari.
Maybe
These
a
are the
glimpse
songs that
then.
has always been with us since day one.
We can definitely give you a short glimpse of it. I'll just pull up my guitar.
Yeah. राधिका गोरी से ब्रज की छोरी से राधिका गोरी से
तेरी छोटी है, नजर तेरी छोटी है, कैसे करा दूं तेरा प्यार।
तू जो ना ब्याह करावे, तेरी गैया ना ही चराऊं।
भोजन मैं लगवाऊंगा 56 प्रकार के, राधिका गोरी से, बिरज की छोरी से, मैया करा दे मेरा प्यार।
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You know, I have to admit that millennials like me, you know, we grew up to these songs. I remember in my house, my Bade Papa would perhaps play these bhajans early in the morning. But the difference is, we never thought it was cool. We always thought that, you know, bhajans is something that perhaps old people do, which I think is the biggest shift that you guys have brought. You've made spirituality cool again.
Actually, you know, we believe in it that this has always been there. What's happening now is just a shift of perception. This has always brought this peace to people, but now people are more comfortable accepting it. Earlier, there was a bit of a hesitant there, but this is a paradigm shift that we are trying to get, that it's okay to not be under influence of something. It's okay if you just want to sit and sing. I mean, you can be with yourself, and this is not uncool in any way.
And we're getting over the stereotype that this is just for the millennials or this is just for the boomers.
No, it's not.
It's not.
But talking about millennials and boomers, I'm looking at these spectacular images from some of the concerts that you guys have done. Give me a demographic breakup. When you guys do these concerts, what is the age bracket of people who are really coming in?
You'll be surprised to hear this. 85% of the people are from the age group of 18 to 30.
Wow.
Only 15% are above 30. Even on our Instagram, whatever the traction we are getting, 85 to 90% people are from 18 to 30. We are doing sellout shows because of this thing, that they are actually liking it. And the thing is, they're getting their parents along, they're getting their dates along, they're getting their friends along. It's a one-stop place for anybody.
Sometimes also their grandparents.
Yeah, absolutely. But tell me about this. That are you saying that there will be New Year's bhajan jamming happening where there'll be no alcohol and nobody will complain?
So we're getting, in fact, the other way around. People are happy about it. One thing which is different, and they really appreciate this thing about it, that there is no substances.
Well, trust Gen Z to be sort of doing this. But tell me about the type of songs, perhaps, that you guys do here. Is it largely bhajan? I did see a reel of yours that went viral that was sort of a medley of lots of songs put together, including Bollywood.
New Year specifically, we have decided to spend it here with our family. However, we're doing a pan-India bhajan jamming tour in Feb and March, which will be in the top 6 to 10 cities in the country, with 4,000, 5,000 people around it.
For sure.
Yes, and we're gonna launch the tickets on 4th January. We're looking forward to that. The type of songs, once again, audience, the people decide the song. We literally are in the crowd and we jam together. We don't believe in delivering, but we believe in making people sing. So it's a mix of bhajans, it will be Bollywood. If someone wants to dedicate some song, it will be that. People dance, people sing.
The songs, the vibe, it all comes from the audience.
Exactly.
Oh, how lovely. So it's like a nicer, cozier version of the whole thing, right? But, and you also talked about a different kind of high. This is a musical high that you're giving to people, not the other kinds that we shall not talk about anymore.
Okay, chalo, we'll dedicate one song. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो। तुमको बुलाऊं, ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहां जहां रखो।
ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं, अगर तुम कहो।
सिया श्रृंगार करो, अब धनुष राम ने तोड़ा है। तुम उठो, सिया श्रृंगार करो, सब धनुष राम ने तोड़ा है। Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
सिया श्रृंगार करो, शिव धनुष राम ने तोड़ा है.
मैया तेरे देखण नूं चुक चरखा गली दे विच पावा, वेलों का पानी मैं चढ़दी.
राज भवन में जालड़ दो बात करूंगा कैसन से.
Lovely. You went from Bollywood to a bhajan and then back to some Sufi, then back to bhajan. Wow. Like now I'm getting a sense of what bhajan jamming is. But I have to admit to you guys that, you know, as this year draws to a close and we are speaking on the last day, 2025 has also been the year of Gen Z reckoning, right? Look at what happened in Nepal, in Bangladesh, in India too. In India, Gen Z managed to overturn two very important Supreme Court orders. They got the attention of everybody and made things happen. So if you had to dedicate, you know, a song to your fellow Gen Z, would you think of one?
Something Gen Z vibe, like we can do Bollywood also here, right?
Yeah, sure.
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, जब सास है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना. ओ गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना. तू बिगड़े दुनिया झगड़े दुनिया लड़े से दुनिया, हम अपनी धुन में गाए दुनिया रूठे बंधन टूटे कोई छूटे. ना घबराओ हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना. ओ हम हैं नए, अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना.
That is a song true to both of you, I must say. Thank you so much for that, because you are really bringing in the new zamana and bringing in the new, trends as well along with it. And that's why I'm so in love and in awe with what Gen Z does. Last question, really. If you had to leave all of us with a song that defines you siblings, who are defying all odds, making their own trends, starting their own zamana, as they say, what song would that be?
We'll just leave you with one important line which we love from a song.
Beautiful.
देखो ये दुनिया कितनी हसीन, देखो ये दुनिया कितनी हसीन, पर तुम भी तो कुछ कम नहीं. It says देखो ये दुनिया कितनी हसीन, पर तुम भी तो कुछ कम नहीं.
Truly, such a nice, inspirational 2026 anthem you've given me to think about. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us. Happy bhajan clubbing to you. And I'm sort of totally rooting it for this trend, because this one keeps your health also in check. No substances, no alcohol, just good immersion and one with self. Happy New Year to you. Thank you so much